This is the RC drone, smart drone. I got it off of GearBest. It took approximately 20 some days to get here. Came in a sealed box. Right away I noticed that it did not have the tools, the screwdriver, a battery charger, and some other tool that comes with it. And as you can see, I've been flying it around for a few. I've already lost 3 of the silver tips that cover the screws on the prop blades. But let's give it a fly, see what happens. It doesn't like the wind too much. I've got about 11 mile an hour wind out of the east. You can see the flag is blowing. Well, let's see what happens here. Turn it on. Okay. It flies pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it flies. It does have a problem though. It won't connect to Wi-Fi, so you can't fly at FPV. The wind does want to take it. It's a pretty cool looking drone. I got it on a flash sale for $39, so I guess you can't really expect much for toy grade. It's real light plastic. I think the whole box weighed like 1.5 pounds. It's does a nice flip, but it'll only go forward. Let's see what rate I'm in. I was in rate 1. I'm in rate 2 now. It's got pretty good pitch. The yaw rate's pretty good. Let's go 3. Oh, I can already tell it's... Whoa. You can see it loses some altitude when it... It does have altitude hold. It's pretty quick. Not a bad drone, but it does have some issues. I don't think it's worth the money, but you can decide if you want to get one. So, if you like this review, you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe. I could use some more subscribers. So, thank you.